Today we will learn about how to install Kali Linux in VMware Hypervisor. So without wasting any time, let's go to the computer screen. Now, from Google Chrome, let's first download VMware Workstation. We will go to the second website and download the VMware Workstation for free. As I already installed the VMware Workstation, I will avoid downloading it. Now, we will right-click to the download file and run it as administrator. Now it's time to install it. Follow all the steps with me in the video. I am changing the path of storage to VMware in my PC. If you want to install it in C drive only, please avoid this particular step. Now just click on Next and Next again to install the hypervisor. All the things will be automatically happen, so just take a sip of coffee. Now it's time to license it. It doesn't mean you have to pay, just visit Google Chrome, once again, and search for VMware licensing keys GitHub, and from first website select any key and paste in VMware, then press finish, then just reboot the system and you are all done with the VMware installation. We are back again after the reboot. Now we will first download Kali Linux ISO file from the Kali Linux official website. We will go to the website and press the download button, then we will click on the button of ISO and, then what are you waiting for, just download the file. We are going to skip the download part, it will take time as per your internet speed. Now we will install it in VMware, so let's start the VMware machine and, in the home section, click on the new button. We will use the recommended option, and click on the next button. We will give the path of the downloaded ISO file. Now select the operating system as Linux, and version as other kernel latest version. And then give the name of the system as per your preference, and also give the path where you want to save the Kali Linux setup. Remember, you should give it minimum 60 GB storage, so choose the location wisely. I am giving it 80 GB storage and 8 GB of memory. Now just finish the process and your system is ready to install. Now click on the Start Virtual Machine button and follow the further instructions. Select the language as per your preference. I am selecting English here, and then select the country of yours. I am selecting India here. Now just wait till all the file are getting extracted. Name the machine as Windows because, when you are going to scan any device or site, they will get to know that the connections is coming from Kali operating system, and Kali is majorly used for hacking, so everyone is going to know that you are doing something wrong. But changing the host name to Windows will give an extra level of security, then just name the username and set the password. We will use guided entire disk. Then we will continue the process and we will select all files in one partition, so all the files can be stored in one partition only. We will select the Yes button as we are going to write the file in the given path. Now tick all the options as we are going to require the features in future. We will use GNOME as GNOME provides a very good interface. You can use any display manager, I'll keep it to default. Now press Continue button and give the path to /dev/sda. Now just wait, we are almost there to complete. Reboot the system and you are done. Just put your password and you are get in.